All right. You're gonna learn today.
All right, YouTube. Today we are changing the coil on my 2001 Dodge Ram van. Now the coil is right here. It's right here. It's a very easy part to change. It's a little inconvenient on the van, but if you have the pickup truck or any other vehicle that has the Magnum motor, it's probably a lot easier to get to. But the installation and removal is very simple. It's two 10mm bolts. There's the harness at the bottom and the plug wire at the top, and that's it. Now I'm putting in the Blue Streak coil. This is the top of the line coil made by Standard. In my other van, I installed an MSD coil, but I'll put that video at the end. So you guys watch that video at the end so you guys can see the MSD coil that I replaced it. But this van, I'm gonna do the Blue Streak. Now, nothing is wrong with the coil on this van right now, but I'm gonna tell you guys, if you guys have the Magnum motors, the coil, Dodge Ram, Jeep, whatever you're driving, Durango, doesn't matter, the coil will fail. So I'm doing this as a maintenance job, because I actually did get stuck in another state when the coil failed me. Because the hard thing about the Magnum motors, when the coil fails, now if you guys got a Dodge Ram, a van, anything that's not starting, check the coil. Because the thing about these motors, when they're not starting, the coil will still be putting out a spark. The spark just isn't strong enough, but it's hard to tell, because while you're checking, trying to diagnose the problems, you're gonna check for spark and you're gonna get it. It's going to put out spark. It's just that you don't know at the time that the spark is not strong enough to start your truck. So, for maintenance purposes, I suggest changing the coil, maybe throw the old coil in your glove compartment or something. That way, if you ever have trouble, you can always switch it back and make it home. So today, I'm gonna try the Blue Streak standard coil. This is model UF198. I have used standard coils before with no problems. This is the upgraded. This is their top of the line Blue Streak. I'm on the road a lot. I'm out of state a lot. I figured I'm gonna try it. So right off top, what I do notice, it has a brass connector. I like that. The brass connector to me is better than the aluminum ones. I'm pretty sure whatever coil is on there has the aluminum one. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to remove the old one and we can compare them side by side. So hold on, YouTube. Now to remove it is pretty simple. There is a harness at the bottom. You guys are not going to be able to see, but there's a harness at the bottom that you have to squeeze and pull down. Hold on. Like that. Here it is right here. See, there's the tab. You push it in and pull down. That's it. And then you have the spark plug wire at the top. You just pull that off, and that's it. Now we just have to get to, make sure the engine is cool before you guys do this. Now we just have to get to the two 10mm bolts and we can take it right out. Hold on. Alright, YouTube, so this is the old one. As you can see, this one has been in here for a while. It still works. Like I said, the van is running, but like I said, I've already had trouble with these coils before, so this became part of my maintenance routine. So once again, we'll take a quick look at the difference between them. And as you can see, actually, there's a couple of little differences. The standard one is actually a little bit bigger, but I don't know which kind this is. This may even be the factory one, I don't know. Doesn't matter, YouTube. We going with the good stuff now. Make sure the plug is the same, everything is good. All right, let's put this one in. That's it. That is it, YouTube. Installed. Done. Alright, guys. So hopefully that'll help somebody change your ignition coil. And like I said, if you guys are having any trouble with your van starting or any of your Magnum motors starting, check the coil. Alright? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Success!